The delicate balance of ecosystems relies heavily on small creatures like butterflies, whose role extends beyond just beauty. Without these pollinators, there's a cascading effect. Plants fail to reproduce, leading to a decline in food sources for herbivores. This deficiency propagates up the food chain, affecting predators. Moreover, butterflies contribute to genetic diversity of flora, crucial for plant resilience against diseases. Their absence could significantly reduce plant variety, destabilizing entire habitats and affecting human agriculture. In essence, the disappearance of butterflies is a testament to the fragile interconnectedness of all life forms, showcasing how seemingly minor components can have monumental impacts on the environment.